2025 arrived before we could even brace ourselves. We learned once again how decisions made far away can shake a small hyperlocal newsroom like ours. A major project we were counting on disappeared within a week because of changes happening in the West. It hit us hard. While we were preoccupied with survival and the little earthquakes on the ground, AI swept across the media world. It didn't just change how content was made, it changed how we think, plan, and dream as reporters and storytellers.
रिपोर्टिंग के दौरान हमने बहुत कुछ देखा, लेकिन कुछ अनुभव ऐसे होते हैं जो आज भी बेचैन कर देते हैं। इलाहाबाद में महाकुंभ की कवरेज भी वैसे ही थी। वहां हमने नज़दीकी से देखा कि असमानता और अव्यवस्था कैसे आम लोगों की जिंदगी को खतरे में डाल देती है। नदी किनारे नए नए शौचालय बनते देखे, धार्मिक ठेकेदारों और ताकतवर लोगों का बढ़ता असर देखा, आग और भीड़ के बीच में फैली अफरा तफरी देखी और उन सैकड़ों मौतों को भी जिनकी चर्चा भी धीरे धीरे दबा दी गई।
Numbers that should have shaken us but never truly surfaced. Our reporters on the ground were even forced to delete footage inside hospitals. That memory hasn't left us.
इस साल यहाँ रिकॉर्ड तोड़ गर्मी पड़ी और भयानक बाढ़ भी आई। एक ही जलवायु संकट के दो अलग अलग रूप। महिलाएं, किसान, भट्ठा मजदूर और पूरे गांव को बहुत मुश्किल हालात से गुजरना पड़ा।
We listened to girls and women stranded in the rising water, and we carried their voices to the administration. Many times, our team had to risk their own safety just to tell these stories.
लेकिन हर मुश्किल ने हमें अपने काम पर और भरोसा दिया। खबर लहरिया की 2025 साल में भी लंबी यात्रा दरअसल इसी हिम्मत की कहानी है, कठिन हालात में भी सच के साथ खड़े रहने की।
We built new partnerships with people who value rural voices as fiercely as we do. Our work on gender disinformation grew into something bigger, archiving, documenting, and building narratives. We held roundtables across the regions, on witch hunting in Bihar, on misinformation in rural India, on the stories that rarely leave small towns. We challenged waves of rumors in Bundelkhand about mysterious thieves and drone sightings, and uncovered just how much fear they were spreading led to deaths and indirect impacts on youth and education.
खबर लहरिया ने अपना पॉडकास्ट शुरू किया, बिहार के चुनावों को जाति और जेंडर के नज़रिए से कवर किया और हमेशा की तरह हमारी चीफ रिपोर्टर नाजनी और छत्तीसगढ़ की कंचन ने राजनीतिक, समाज और संस्कृति को देखने का एक अलग नज़रिया सामने रखा।
Our Udan fellows are in the field right now after an intense climate reporting training. They began last year as first-time mobile users, young girls from brick kilns learning journalism for the first time. Today, they are bringing back stories on climate that matter to them and their communities. Their work will soon become an interactive multimedia project we are excited about. Follow Chambal Academy if you want to see it unfold.
हमारे पूर्व छात्रों ने हमें गर्व महसूस कराया। बिहार टीम के लीडर सुमन ने जोश टॉक में अपनी कहानी साझा की। कई और साथी अलग अलग मंचों पर चंबल अकादमी की सोच को आगे बढ़ा रहे हैं।
Chambal Media stretched its creative wings as well. We made a couple of films, including a musical experiment with the Avan project. Turns out our team can sing just as well as they can report. We built a board game on online gender disinformation with the Point of View team and joined Akshara's Jageh Dikhao campaign. We have always enjoyed showing people the world right outside their doors. Our Hatke subscriptions found new readers, and we launched our new website with stories that show what strong hyperlocal reporting can do. If you haven't visited it yet, take this as a gentle nudge. Start with the history of Dalit Bastis and their names, or journalists and journalism in small towns and rural areas. Two stories close to our hearts. Your one subscription or even a single recommendation strengthens grassroots journalism in a way that truly matters. And while AI became the buzz everywhere, we learned it in our own way. Slow, curious, and always questioning.
हमने शुरू से ही उनकी कमियां पहचान ली। कई बोलियां गायब थीं, कई बातें पुराने खाने में फिट नहीं बैठ रही थीं और देखने का नज़रिया ऐसा था जो हमें अपना सा नहीं लगा।
One senior producer joked in frustration that AI doesn't listen to us because of language and prompt barriers. Another replied that it listens better than her husband. She even shares her personal grief with AI and finds comfort there. So, the next step is straightforward. Build what is missing. If you're an organization exploring AI in rural India, our inbox is open. Our biggest joy this year came from Bundelkhand. After 24 years of walking this path, Khabar Lahariya received the Banda Gaurav Samman on one of Banda's biggest stages. The applause didn't feel like claps alone. It felt like the land itself was acknowledging the grit, the struggle, and the stubborn hope that kept us going.
और हाँ, हमें सब कुछ याद रहा। ये लाठियाँ भी जो हमें रोकने आई थीं, वे आवाज़ें भी जो तंज कसते हुए बोली थी, बड़ी आई पत्रकार। उस मंच पर खड़े होकर के सब कुछ फिर याद आया और लगा यह सब कुछ भी बेकार नहीं था।
And finally, after being subjects to articles, films, and research papers for many, we picked up the pen ourselves. Our collective book is almost ready. In October, the whole team sat together and read the final draft. We laughed, we cried, and at the end, we had our title. Wait for the announcements. If all goes well, the book will reach you next year in both English and Hindi. We hope it brings you closer to our journey, our friendships, and the fight that shaped us.
उस साल के नाम जो हमारी उम्मीदों के मुताबिक नहीं चला और उन टीमों, साथियों और समुदायों के नाम जिन्होंने इस अनिश्चितता को हमारी ताकत बना दिया। प्यार और ताकत के साथ में खबर लहरिया, चंबल अकादमी और चंबल मीडिया की टीमें।